Hi there, and welcome! Today, we're going to show you just how easy it is to use a powerful tool for maintaining standards in any logistics or manufacturing facility, the Cleanliness Score, Toledo's Vision AI agent. Let's get started. At first, from your main dashboard, we'll head over to the Test Studio. This is where you can try out any Vision AI agent with your own images. Then, use the drop-down menu to select the Vision agent you want to use. We'll choose the Cleanliness Score agent. You'll notice it's ready to go right out of the box. Now, let's give it an image to analyze. We'll upload a photo of a clean and organized factory floor. Simply hit Test and let the AI get to work. And just like that, the analysis is complete. In seconds, the AI has provided a cleanliness assessment. It's given the space a score of 4 out of 5 and identified only minor issues like some dust on high surfaces. But what happens if the area isn't up to standard? Let's try a different image of a dirty production area and hit Test again. And the AI provides a new score of 1.5 out of 5 and details all the major issues it detected instantly, like dust, stains, and spills on the equipment and floor. It's that fast, simple, and objective. From daily audits on the factory floor to ensuring your warehouse is always inspection ready, the Cleanliness Score agent helps you automate monitoring and uphold your standards. Empower your team to maintain excellence effortlessly with Toledo's Cleanliness Score agent.